Hey guys, Doug here from Survival Archery Systems. Last week I posted a video on some of the questions I get asked on the SAS Tactical Survival Bow, and in the comments to that video, Todd from Central Oregon Survival Network, by the way, great channel, go and check out his channel, Central Oregon Survival Network. He deals with a lot of sort of survival and tactical type equipment, so go check that out. So Todd asked, what happens to the sound when you remove the pins? Is it any louder? And also, what happens to the pins when you shoot about 30 or 40 shots? Does it make any difference? Do the pins start to slide out? So today we're going to have a look at that, and yeah, let's check what happens. Okay guys, so I'm going to start out by shooting the bow as is with the screws tightened. What I've done is I've put one screw on the top and one screw on the bottom of the bow, so that we can see what happens to the different orientations of the pivot pins when we shoot the bow without the screws. Now, as you can see, there is no gap, so it is tightened up nice and tight, so that you can see it's actually in place. Again, there's no gap, and let's see how that goes. Now, I purposely have not put any string silencers on, so you're hearing the bow at its loudest, if you want to call it that. Now, if my arm looks a bit bent, it's because I'm purposely trying to get this arm guard out of the way so that there's no other sounds other than the bow shooting. Right, that's 3 with the screw. What we're going to do now is we are going to remove the screw. We're going to remove the one on the top. There we go. And we're going to remove the one on the bottom. And there we go. Let's see what happens. I'm just going to shoot a whole bunch of shots now to see if there's any shift. Listen to the sound. And the last one, until I go fetch them again. Okay, so let's have a look. Both screws, as I mentioned last week, have not shifted at all. They're still sitting nice and flush. So again, you don't need to worry about these things shifting out. There's so much tension in the limbs that it's keeping this folding bracket down, which puts a lot of tension on that pin. But I'm going to shoot a whole bunch of more shots, and then we're going to have a look at that. So I'm going to go get the arrows out of there quick. Then bear with me. Let's shoot another 10 shots. That last sound was just the string hitting my arm guard, so I'm going to get that out the way again. And I'm just going to wait for this motorbike with a policeman on it to go past. Hopefully he's not going to come tell me I can't shoot here. Yep, he's stopping. Let me try and get this video finished. Ow. Okay, that was arm guard noise. So as you can see, again, before I get arrested for shooting in a public park, the pins are good to go. Officer. Okay, so Officer Simpson was actually very cool. He ended up shooting about 10-20 shots with me, and we might have another customer. So yeah, Officer Simpson, good guy. So let's get on with the video and shoot another 20 shots. And just to make sure, we do have the screws out again. Connecting my arm guard again, so we can discount that one. I wonder what Officer Simpson's thinking right now. 50 pound, 55 pound. Damn, he wish he had that 65 pound. But yeah, we might bring them back. If I get enough interest from guys, enough emails, we might bring the 65 pound back. I'm sure a couple of you want to go grizzly hunting with that thing. Okay guys, I'm actually going to call this the last arrow, because I think after 30 shots, if nothing has shifted, as you can see, nothing has shifted, there's no more sound, there's no more vibration than with the screws in. So yeah, we're going to call that a day. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and I hope that dispels the theory that it's going to make a bunch of noise without the screws. Again, as I said last week, you don't need the screws. You guys are welcome to them. Order them online. But otherwise, have a great week. Check you around. Cheers, guys.